Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of fools too.
Fully
Cooked!
Okay, he's gonna put the, nope, it's already open. He's gonna put the spoon and fork down here because he needs a spoon and fork for his meal today. And then you zip it up. Yep.
I love my Paw Patrol bag. Thank you, Odette, for the backpack. You too, Nikki. Does Odette have 3 kids?
I don't know. I haven't asked her that.
My food I'm having
Yeah.
is that.
This is a, can you tell me what it is?
A cracker with 2 cream cheese and 1 egg in it.
That's right. It's a cracker sandwich.
Applesauce, yogurt with stevia and strawberries, tomato with salt. That's all.
That's right. That's your lunch.
Oh, can you take a bar and put it right here?
Yes. Go get a bar. You can pick one out. Bunty gave him a whole bunch of bars and stuff, so he can pick one out. It's underneath of there. Behind there.
I'll like this one for
Okay.
now.
The naked bar.
Yeah,
Very cheeky.
naked. I don't know. I don't know, Daddy.
Teak.
Okay, it's lunch for today. We have this package, Super Bites, and it's banana cocoa. It's those right there. And black currant fruity wheels. It comes with 2. I gave him 1. We've got some pasta that I cooked yesterday. It's really, really good. It's got cream cheese, tomato, just a little bit of sour cream, so I didn't have to use so much cream cheese. It was really, really good. He liked it. Applesauce and yogurt with this stevia in it. It's plain yogurt and it's got this stevia in it. Glycerite? I don't know. I don't think it has very much of a taste, just sweet. And he's got strawberries in it. So that is his lunch for today.
Yummy food.
Okay, here's his lunch for today. It's more like a brunch. So he has tuna with salad and yogurt with mango.
What are these?
A whole beet cut up. And these are the Bunty, the snacks from Bunty. I threw away the package, but here's the top of it. So he just got a little bit today, what was left. It's like little chocolate banana
Only
bites.
have a taste.
So he is going to go to school, his first day back from being very sick, and hopefully he has a really good day today.
I like it.
Okay, for today's lunch, he has the spaghetti. It's rice spaghetti with just a simple tomato sauce, really no spices in it, just salt. And we've got yogurt sweetened with stevia, glycerite stevia, getting rid of this one. It has no flavor to it, I don't think. And blueberries. Uh-huh. And we have the fruit wheels and half of a package of the Good For You Super Bites from Bunty, strawberry and vanilla. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.